Hello YouTubers, Annmarie Hedgehog here. Today we are going to the parts of the canal sites or where you get your fish. But before that, woo! Jump! I want to show you this place. This is where I got my skateboard. Yeah. Hang 10 dudes. And we can get legendary or uncommon, common, rare, ultra rare, or godly. Well, mine's uncommon. But I like the skateboard. It suits me. I feel like I wish I was skateboarding right now, but I can't. It's time to catch some fish. Because it's fishing day. It's night and it's time for fish night. I will go to the place where I was, but no. I want to go somewhere I can catch a fish. I'm on my own. It's peace and quiet. No one can bother me. Get my favorite fishing rod out. And let's catch some fish. It's fish time. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, look at that. Yellow trout. Nice. Let's catch another one. Another bite? That was quick. Whoa! What is this? An eel! Electrifying. Oh, got another one. See if I can catch the big bite. Oh, what is this? I caught a common night. Oh, what a fish. Oh, got a bite. Oh, it got away. Yeah, I got steam in my ears. Urgh. This one's not got away. Yay! You fish are not getting away from this, Hedgehog. Yeah, if you notice, my name for my avatar is Mimi on this. And I'm one of the Peachy Squad fans. So I got a Peachy Squad shirt. And I got Megan's outfit. And her Honey the Unicorn hat. And I got the bag as well. So yeah, I'm part of the Peachy Squad. And I love this Overlook Bay. What Megan and Honey the Unicorn have worked so hard. Oh, another bite. There's that gold one again. Amazing! And a yellow trout. Oh, here's another one. Oh. The yellow fish again. Alright, I'll catch two more. Oh, look at that! A crab! Nice! I never caught a crab before. Ow! It bit! It snapped me with its claws. Oh. Got away. Got away again? I hope you guys are enjoying me getting angry. Ooh, look at that! A silver... Alright, that's enough fishing for me. If you like this video of me showing you my skateboard and the new place you can get it, and also the fishing time, just leave a comment section down below. Follow me on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in Overlook Bay next time. Bye!